Hi everyone, I'm Michael, an intern here at mathleague, and today we're going to be looking at problem 26 from the sprint test of set 12206. So let's get started. The problem reads, Michael has 20 poles of the same length, and he plans on using all of them to form one or more regular polygons. If the order in which Michael makes the polygons matters, then how many ways can he do so? So let's first denote that we're going to make k polygons, that Michael is going to make k polygons. And since we know that the simplest polygon is a triangle, which has three sides, the greatest number of polygons that Michael could make is 6. Since making a seventh polygon would require at least 3 times 7 or 21 poles, which Michael does not have. Now, after we know how many polygons we're going to be making, whatever we choose for k, whether that be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, that means that we're going to first allocate 3 poles to each of those polygons. That means we're going to have 20 minus 3k poles left that we can add to whichever one of the polygons we would like. Now, let's call this quantity n. And we need to distribute these n poles to k polygons. And we can use the method of sticks and stones to determine how many ways this can be completed. And the formula for that would be n plus k minus 1, choose k minus 1. Now, since we know n in terms of k, we can then substitute n in. And we have 20 minus 3k plus k minus 1, choose k minus 1, which can be further simplified to 19 minus 2k, choose k minus 1. And since we know all of the values of k for which this is possible, for which Michael can make polygons, we can simply sum from k equals 1 to 6 of 19 minus 2k, choose k minus 1, and that gives us 17, choose 0, plus 15, choose 1, plus 13, choose 2, plus 11, choose 3, plus 9, choose 4, plus 7, choose 5. And if we evaluate this, we get 1 plus 15 plus 78 plus 165, and then plus 126 plus 21. And if we add all of these together, we get a total of 406 ways. And if we look here, we see that that does not show up. So we would get E, other, as our answer.
Hi, everybody. This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.